Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in the meeting you have all got this syllabus page. Okay students, so here in the maths you have seen chapter number 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 12 and 13. This is asked. So one by one taking all these. Okay students, now from maths in the exercise question 1a, what is there? Add and subtract rational numbers. You know that how to subtract the rational number, add and subtraction rational number. Okay students, so here there is an printing mistake given over here. You can see students how 2 marks are there, but 2 is asked, but there you have to do 4. So here you have to do add or subtract the rational number that is 4 into 2 marks, so it will be 8 marks. Okay students, then next is multiply and divide rational numbers. So in question number 1b, divide and multiply the rational numbers. So they will be asked any 2 of 3 marks. So it is written only 2 into 3, that is 6. Any 2 will be asked. One division and one multiplication sum will be asked. Then it will come the problem sums. Here the problem sums, question 1c, the problem sums will be problem sums are only from the chapter number 13, any 2. Okay students, any 2 of 3 marks, that is 6 marks that you have to do. And going towards question number 2a, simplify. Question number 2a, simplify. See here, question number 2a, simplify. Simplify, that is only from chapter number 2. Okay students, and 3 will be asked of 3 marks each. So 3 3s are 9 marks of that. And question number 2b, over here you can see question number 2b, that is find the square root. Find the square root. So in that you have to find any of the square root, and it is of 2.5 marks. It will be asked too, so that will be 5 marks. Okay, then find the cube roots, that is 2c. Question 2c, that is find cube root. Find the cube root. So that is of 3 marks. So for that 2 will be asked, that is 2 into 3, that is 6. Now see students, up to here I will just explain this paper. So first what they have to add and subtract the rational numbers. So first open your book, and the chapter number 1 is rational number. Okay students, so in that you have seen here addition and subtractions. Here I am also writing the pages on it. Okay, so the rational number, see here on the page number, it is on the page number 15. So you have seen the page number 15. Here it is on the question number 1. Please tick the students. I am just giving you some of the things. See here, addition of the rational number. See here on the question number 1a, subtract and the addition of rational number. It is on the page number 15. You can see addition of rational number and some of the examples is given, and here in the exercise also given. So from that it will be asked, okay, and which are cutted, that will not be asked. So and then after on the page number 18 there is subtraction of rational number. So from that it will be asked subtraction of the rational number from there to from the exercise, okay, but in the from the exercise the cutted sum will not be asked. So in this addition and subtraction of rational number you have to just see is the method, how it is added and how it is subtracted the rational number. So you will get easily the marks of it. Then the next is question number 1b, that is divide and multiply of rational number. So divide and multiply of rational number. See here is subtraction is on the page number 18 and the multiplication of rational number. See here it is given multiplication of rational number. It is on the page number 20. Page number 20, multiplication of rational number. It is asked of 3 marks and 1. There is some division of rational number. It is 1. So 1 of multiplication, 1 of division. So it is given over here. You just see the method how it is solved, okay students, and you can know that by it is 1 of 3 marks, one sum of 3 marks, then you can know which sum is to be asked. You can see here from the 1d what is to be asked. I will just ask from the question number 5 and question number 6 only. Why? Because it is of 3 mark each, because I will only ask the long one, it is 3 marks. So moving towards next, that is division of rational number. So division of rational number, it is on the page number 24. See here in the page number 24 it is given division of rational number. From that what you have to do is you have to simplify. So from that I am just telling you from exercise 1e only question number 2 from it will be asked. Question number 2 will be asked and some of the examples which are of 3 marks, long examples from that only asked, okay students. Then after moving towards problem sums, that is of 13, lesson number 13. So here I am on the page number, this is chapter number 12 and here is chapter number 13. From that problem sums will be asked. So where is the problem sums? Problem sums is given over here. So from here what they will ask is from problem sums, it is of how many marks? Problem sums, any 2 are there, that is from chapter number 13. So you can see that problem sums can be asked of like this. Question number 5 on the here problem sums. See here in the problem sum what is to be asked. I am telling you students that you have to draw the drawing, means you have to draw the top or the front side of it like this. Example 1, okay, 2 will be asked. You have to draw front view, side view or top view of it. Any of the 2 will be asked from exercise example number 1, or from exercise also I can ask. So in the problem sum what will be asked? In that you have to ask the 3D or 2D figure. From that you have to draw the figure from top, side and front view. That will be asked in the question 1c problem sum. And moving towards question 2a, simplify, that will be asked from chapter number 2. So I am just going to the chapter number 2. So here is the chapter number 2, that is exponents. Chapter number 2 is exponents. Okay students, so from that what will be asked, let us discuss about that. So from chapter number 2, exponents, simplify. In this you will be asked the simplification. In that it will be the, what will be that you can see here in the examples. See here, exponents and exponent notation of rational numbers. In that you can ask, evaluate the following, then not will be asked, and the examples you can see from example number 9, 10. Then here simplify question, sorry, exercise 2a, question number 5 is given, simplify, that can be asked. Or from here the exercise 2b, the question number 8, simplification, that can be asked. These things which have simplification on the top of it, that can be asked. Okay students, and may other also ask, student, I am not telling 100% of it, some of will not ask. Okay, moving further, and find the square root, that is on the chapter number square and square root. So that is the chapter number 3, square and square root. So here in the maths you can see in this chapter syllabus it is not written the chapter number 3, so you please write down there. So which chapters I am writing over here, you just write down. So no, I am writing over here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 13. Okay, this from this chapter only it will be asked. No, here from in forget the chapter number 5 is not to be asked, only this chapter only. Okay students, here in the place of 3 by mistake the 5 is written. Okay students, so you just correct it. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, then comes 6, 12, 13. So this chapter see here on paper, just please correct it. The chapters 5 cut it off and 3rd add. Okay students, so from 3rd find the square root of the it. So from that only square root is to be asked. Okay students, so you know that which square root can be asked. It is of 2.5 marks. So you should know that which square root will be asked. 2.5 mark is there, then long one square root is to be asked. See here, I am giving the examples which can be asked. So 4-digit perfect square root of the perfect square having up to 4-digit estimation. So this can be asked from exercise 3D or 3B, from that only it can be asked. Why? Because it is 2.5 marks. So I should have give, so the answer should be long. Okay students, and it should be hard. Okay, moving towards next, that is chapter number 4, find the cube root. So in that what you have to do? So going towards the chapter number 4, so in that you have to find the cube roots. So here in examples 8, 9, 10, yes, according to this example number 8, 9, 10, and from the sum of the exercise sum I can ask it that what is the cube root of this, what is the square root of this. Okay, this can be asked. Now moving further students, but I will just explain up to here only. In the next video, there are some corrections in your this question. There is correction in question number 5A and B that will be replaced. So because why we haven't do this chapter, okay students. So and from question number 4C 17 chapter is to be rubbed, okay, and question number 5 will be changed. So don't do question number 5A and 5B. I will tell you in the next video, okay students. So question number A and B, question number 5A and 5B, that is cutted. So in next video I will tell that in place of that what you have to write. So don't do it that, okay students, else you can do that. Now I am just repeating it again students. Question number 1A, add and subtract rational number. You know it is from chapter number 1. You have to add and subtract the rational numbers, that you know. And then after multiplication and divide the rational numbers, that also you know that what you have to do. And then comes problem sums. It will be from chapter number 13. You know which sum is to be asked. I can say that draw the front view, top view and side view of the following pictures. Okay students, so you have to learn that to draw, how to draw top view, how to draw side view. It will be asked from the textbook only, no external will be asked, okay. Then comes simplification from lesson number 2. So only the heading which has simplify or simplify it will be asked over here. I am repeating it again students. So and from chapter number 3, that is find the square root. You know that it is of 2.5 marks and I will ask big square root only. I will not ask the small square roots, okay students. And then question number 2C, that is find the cube root. You know that which is to be big cube root only I will ask, not small, because it is of 3 mark each, okay students. Now moving towards this, in place of 5 you have to write 3. There is a correction in the chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 13. Okay, 6, 12 and 13 you have to do, okay students. Students, here in the place of question number 5A and 5B, I will ask from the chapter number 6. I will ask most of the questions of question 5 and A and question 5B from chapter number 6, but I will change the heading in the next video. So for that you just learn the chapter number 6 very well, because all the identities have different sums. Okay students, I will explain you in the next video. Okay, now here it is question 3A, simplify chapter number 6. So that is also, it is of simplification of some sums will ask, but here in the question number 5A and 5B I will replace only, it will be question number 5 and it will be asked according to the identities, that is question chapter 6 identities it will be asked. In question number 5A and 5B it is cutted, and question number only 5 I will do it, okay students. Now moving further, so the definitions is here. So here in the solve using identities, it is also from chapter number 6, but in question number 5 I will do some of the different kinds of the sum and I will write that you have to solve this according to this identity, okay students. Moving further, definition must be of chapter number 12 and 13 only, of question number 4A and question number 4B. You know that fill in the blanks only there is in chapter number 12. So it will be only asked from the chapter number 12 only, because in chapter number 13 I think there is no fill in the blanks, but I can make some of the fill in the blanks from that sum only and you have to write the answers, okay students. Now problem sums, from problem sums, it is given over here in the 4C. Question number 4C. You have just removed the chapter number 17. Remove the chapter number 17 because we haven't done that. So please remove the chapter number 17 from that end. The question number 5 and question number 5A and 5B I will replace in the next video. Okay students, we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye students. And please take care of this and this which I have just corrected in the syllabus. You also correct, so at the exam time you don't create a doubt. Okay students, we will meet in the next video. Bye students.